Okay, Jai Hind friends, welcome to the Nova classes. Let's make learning easier. Today we are going to talk about the chapter India's size and location. So that chapter I have taken from class 9th. So that is very important chapter, and what we are going to talk about this chapter. So today we will discuss about location of India, what is their size, extent, as well as India and the world and India's neighbor. So these things today we are going to talk about that. Okay, so dear students, you can see that is a map of India. Okay, and that picture shows so many things. Okay, so let us discuss about that the location of India. What location of India? So dear students, if we can see that what is the exact location of India on globe, so we can say that the latitudinal extent of India, that is the 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Okay, so that is the latitudinal extent of India. Okay, and what is the longitudinal extent of India? So longitudinal extent of India, that is the 68 degrees 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Okay, so what is latitudinal extent, what is the longitudinal extent? Let us discuss. Okay, wait for a second. So that is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent. So dear students, I am just telling you. So we can see that you can see that is a horizontal line on the globe. Okay, so can you tell me that horizontal line is known as latitudinal? Yeah, latitude. What we call them? Latitude. And they are number in how much, beta? 180. They all are in number how many? 80s are there. So you can see that that is the 0 degree. What is that? Is a 0 degree. You can see that line, that is a 0 degree line is there. Okay, so it is a 0 degree. So the latitudinal extent of India, you can see it is from here. So what is that? That is 8 degree 4 minute north. What? 8 degree 4 minute north. So you can see that here is a 0. Okay, so it's move upward side. So you can see that how much that is 8 degree 4 minute north. So understood? And after that it is here. Okay, approx that is here. So what is here? That is a 37 degree and 6 minute north. How much? 37 degree 6 minute north. So you can see here it start from here and it's move up to here. So from here 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. So what is that? That is the latitudinal extent. Okay, so you can see that is the globe, and globe has divided into two parts. That is the northern hemisphere, okay, and that is the southern hemisphere. So we can say that India is lies on which hemisphere? India is lies on the northern hemisphere. Okay, and if we divide the India into two parts, okay, so we can say that the India is lies on the eastern Asia. Okay, which part? Eastern Asia. Okay, so that is the things. So I hope so you the things are clear. What is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India? Okay, so once again we are going to repeat. What is the latitudinal extent of India? 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Okay, now longitudinal extent. Okay, so longitudinal extent, one more times I am just showing you. Longitudinal extent, it means, you know, longitude it means it start from here to here. Okay, so that is a longitudinal extent. Okay, so what is the longitudinal extent? So longitudinal extent, that is a 68 degree, what? 68 degree 7 minute east. Okay, 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree, how much is there? 25 minute east. Okay, so that is a start from here and move up to from here. Okay, so you know that is the longitudinal. So we can say that is the latitudinal and that is the longitudinal. So you can see that the longitudinal extent of India, that is what? 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Clear everyone? So that is what? That is latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. Okay, so let us see what is there. That is clear, beta? That is the 8 degree 4 minute north, and that is here what? here is a 68 degree 7 minute east longitude to 97 degree 25 minute longitude. Okay, so that is the location of India. So you can easily find on the globe what is the location of the India. Now we are going to talk about one imaginary line. Okay, so that imaginary line is known as what? That imaginary line known as what? Tropic of Cancer. What we call them? That is the Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer divide the India into two halves. It's divide the India into two halves. So once again I am just showing you. You can see that is the imaginary line. Okay, so at what degree that is? That is 23 degree and 30 minute north. Okay, that is the longitudinal extent of tropic of latitudinal. What is that? 23 degree 30 minute north. Okay, so that is the line Tropic of Cancer. So let us discuss ki how many state are there and on that imaginary line. Okay, so we can see that ki it start from here. You know what is the which name of that that state? You can say that it is a Gujarat. Okay, and after that some part of Rajasthan. Okay, and after that is the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, after that is the Chhattisgarh. Okay, after that Jharkhand. Okay, after that West Bengal. Okay, and after that Tripura, and after that Mizoram. So you can see that 8 states are there where the Tropic of Cancer's line passes through. Okay, I repeat once again, that is the Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So that is very important. Why? Because basically in examination these states are asking ki tell me which state does not the Tropic of Cancer line pass. Okay, so obviously you can say that ki these are the state where the Tropic of Cancer lines are passing through. Okay, so what are these? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So that is a very easy you can learn. Okay, because why that is important? Because we can say that ki how many states are there. So we can say that how many states are there? There are 8 states where the Tropic of Cancer lines passing through. Okay, now you know what is that is very important point discussion ki the southernmost point of India. Okay, so you can see that is the north and that is south. Okay, so what is the southernmost point of India? That is the Indira point. What we call them? Indira point. Okay, so that is in Ladakh, and after that you know Indira point and got submerged under the seawater in the 2005-4 during the tsunami. Okay, and after that southernmost point, that is the southern, oh sorry, we are talking about northern, but here is the southernmost point. Okay, so that is the Indira point and it is submerged, okay, under the seawater in which year? 2004. So that is the southernmost point, and you can see here that is the northernmost point. So what is the northernmost point? That is the Indira call. It is where beta? That is in Ladakh. Okay, so that is clear. Understood everyone? So what we have talked today in this location, we have talked about location of India. Okay, we have talked about Tropic of Cancer. Okay, how many state passing through the Tropic of Cancer? So you can see that there are 8 states, and after that southernmost point we can see here, that is a southernmost point. Okay, and that is the southernmost point, that is what? Indira point. Okay, it submerged in 2004, and northernmost point, that is the what? Indira call, that is in Ladakh. So that is clear everyone. Okay, now we can talk about that, that is the exact location of India. You can see here. Okay, so that is the position of India on the globe. Okay, so India lies on which hemisphere? India lies on the northern hemisphere. Okay, and name of the continent name is Asia. Okay, the continent name is Asia. Clear? So now move to the next topic. What is the topic is there? So the next topic is what? Size. What? Size of India. So basically if we can see that the India is a large country, and if we can talk about what is the area of the India, so we can see that the area of India, that is the 3.28 million square kilometer. 3.28 million square kilometer, and you know it occupies around 2.4% of the total geographical area. Okay, so you can see that total area, it means you can see that total area, how much that is what, 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay, and it is a 2.4 of the total geographical area. Okay, and you know India is the 7th largest country. Which country? 7th largest country. So we can say that that is Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil. Okay, Brazil, and after that Australia. Okay, so after that which country is there? India. Okay, so I think you all have learned that ki ICU na, so we can say that RCU. Okay, CBAI. ठीक है, RCU CBAI. So you can learn in that way also, RCU CBAI. ठीक है, so RCU CBI. ठीक है, so CBI you can say. So what is R for Russia, C for Canada, U for USA, C for China, B for Brazil, and after that is Australia, and after that India. So what is the position of India according to the area? So that is the 7th position. Okay, so now we can talk about that. So what is the land boundary of India? Land boundary, you know, land boundary, it means we are talking about these one. These are, what is that? These are the land boundary. Okay, so what is the land boundary of India? That is a 15,200 kilometer. How much? 15,200 kilometer. You can see that it start from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir. Okay, and after that Delhi. Okay, after that Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. Okay, Tripura, Mizoram. There are so many states are there, those who are sharing the land boundary. So you can see that how much? 15,200 kilometer. Okay, and if we can talk about the total length of the coastline. Coastline, it means we are talking about this one, that is the coastline. Okay, so it is around how much? It is around 7,516.6 kilometer. How much? 7,516.6 kilometer. That is the what? That is coastal line. Okay, coastal line, you can see that is a coastal line, and you can see that is a what? Land area. Okay, it means land boundary. Okay, so land boundary, that is what? 15,200 kilometer. And what is the coastal boundary? So it is around 7,416.6 kilometer. Okay, it's include Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep also. It's include Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep also. So clear everyone? I hope you have clear what is the area of India. Can you tell me? Area of India 3.28 million square kilometer. What is their percentage? That is the 2.4%. What is the position of India? That is the 7th largest country. So what is that? RCU. Okay, what? RCU. After that CBI. What? CBI. RCU and CBI. So R for Russia, C for Canada, U for USA, C for China. Okay, and after that Brazil, after that Australia, and after that India. So that is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay, and what is the coastal boundary? That is the 7,516 kilometer. Okay, okay, and after that land boundary, that is a 15,200 kilometer. Now we are going to talk about extent of India. What we are going to talk about? We are going to talk about the extent of India. Okay, so here is given that India is bounded by Yangfol mountain. Yangfol mountain, you can see that is the greater Himalayas. I think you all are aware about that. Okay, what is here? Here is a great Himalayas are there. Okay, so that is a Yangfol mountain. What is that? That is the Yangfol mountain. So you can see that is the Ladakh. Okay, and after that Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Bihar, and after that Arunachal Pradesh. They are sharing the what with Himalaya. Okay, so you all know that where is the Mount Everest situated? Mount Everest situated in where? Nepal. Okay, highest peak of the world. Okay, so we can say that India is bounded with the Yangfol mountain in the where? Northwest. Okay, so if we can say that is a north, south. Okay, and after that what? That is the north, that is the south, that is the east, and that is the west. Okay, so the north south distance is, it means we consider north south, it means from here to here. What is the distance? That is the 3214 किलोमीटर. अगर हम बात करें कहाँ से, लद्दाख से, अगर जम्मू कश्मीर लद्दाख से देख करके अगर हम यहाँ पे कहाँ पे आ जाए, तमिलनाडु तक देखें, तो उसकी टोटल डिस्टेंस कितनी होगी बेटा? 3214 किलोमीटर. अगर हम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट देखें, यानी यहाँ से यहाँ देखें, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितनी होगी बेटा? 2933 किलोमीटर. सो दैट इज़ द नॉर्थ टू साउथ एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट? ईस्ट टू west. Clear? And in north side you can see that there is a young fold mountain is there. Where? Young fold mountain is there. So that is what? That is our, so now we can see that that is the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so you can see here, I am just telling you that ki what is that? That is the Bay of Bengal. Okay, in the Bay of Bengal there is what? Island of Andaman and Nicobar. What is which island is there in Bay of Bengal? So we can say that Andaman and Nicobar island is there. And what is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar? So we can say that Port Blair is the capital of the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, and after that we can see that another island is there, that is what? Lakshadweep Island. Okay, so what is the capital city of the Lakshadweep Island? So we can say that Kavaratti. What? Kavaratti is the capital city of which island? That is the Lakshadweep Island. So I think you have clear about that. Okay, so in that side, that is what? Andaman and Nicobar we can see here, and in that side, that is what? That is Lakshadweep. Okay, so that is the Arabian Sea. One more things I am just telling you with that ki India has how many states are there? 28 states and there, and 8 union territories are there. How many state? 28 state, and how many union territories are there? 8 union territories are there. Keep it in mind. Okay, and what we have learned in this page, we have learned what is the extent of India from north to south. We can see that how much? 3214 kilometer, and from east to west, that is what? 2933 kilometer. Okay, so that is the extent of India. Now we are going to talk about that ki what is the Indian Standard Time. What is the Indian Standard Time? So Indian Standard Time, that is a very important. Why? Because you know Indian Standard Time measures, you can see here, that is the line. Okay, that is the line 82 degree 30 minute east. Okay, and you can see that it is passing through the Uttar Pradesh. There is one place, and the name of the place is what? That is Mirzapur. What is that? Naini is the place that is in Mirzapur. So our time measure from that place. Okay, that is the Indian Standard Time. And what is that? That is the 82 degree 30 minute east. What is that? That is 82 degree 30 minute east. So basically our Indian Standard Time is taken from which place beta? That is Naini. Naini is the place that is in Mirzapur. Okay, it is near Allahabad also. So let us discuss ki how many states are passing through the Indian Standard Time. So you can say that that is Uttar Pradesh, and some part that is Madhya Pradesh also, and after that you can see that that is the Chhattisgarh, and after that Odisha, and after that Andhra Pradesh. So these are the state where Indian states Indian Standard Time line passing through that. Okay, so one more time I am telling you that. So you can see that ki that is the Arunachal Pradesh, and that is what? Gujarat. So we can see here the time lag between these two states, that is how much? 2 hours. How much beta? 2 hours, because that is the eastern part and that is the western part. Okay, so what is the distance between these? Actually we can say that it is around 2933 kilometer. So how many time lag is there? That is 2 hour. How much? That is the time lag is 2 hour. Okay, so now we have discussed about the Indian Standard Time. I am going to ask few questions related to this topic. So the first question is, can you tell me what is the line, yeah, what is the latitudinal or longitudinal extent of Indian Standard Time? So that is what? what is the standard meridian of India? So 82 degree 30 minute east. What is the standard meridian of India? That is 82 degree 30 minute east. Can you tell me why there is a 2 hours lag between the Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh? So you can see here, okay, because it is around how much? It is around 2933 kilometer away from each other. So there are that's why the difference between the Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, that is the time is what? How much? 2 hours is there. Okay, so I hope that is clear, everyone. Okay, now we can move to the next. So here is one question related to the latitudinal extent and longitudinal extent, and all these things are there. So how the things can be solved, I am just telling you that. So we all know that ki 360 degree equal to how many? 24 hour. So 1 hour equal to how many? We can divide 360 upon 24. So what will come, beta? It will come around 15 degree. Okay, how much? 15 degree. So we can say here कि 15 degree, that is a 1 hour. So that is a 15 degree in 1 hour. Okay, so if we can say that कि 1 hour equal to how many minute? 60 minute. So that is a 50 degree. So we can see कि 1 degree equal to how many minute, beta? 4 minute. Okay, 1 degree equal to how many minute? 4 minute. You can see here. Okay, so if our latitudinal extent is what? I am asking you, that is a 82 degree, and how many minutes is there? 30 minute east. Okay, so what we can say that? We can say that that is a 82.5 degree. What we can say that? We can say that 82.5 degree. So 1 degree equal to how many minute, beta? 4 minute. So we can say here, so 4 5s are 20, okay, and 4 2s are 8, 8 to 10, 4 8s are 32, and that will become 31, 32 and 33. So it is around how much, beta? 330 minute. How many minute? 330 minute. If we divide by the 60, 330 minute divided by 60, so that is a 6 5s are 30 and 6 5s are 30. So that what that's come 5.5 hour ना. तो इसका मतलब है कि जो ग्रीनविच टाइम है 0 डिग्री मेरिडियन से लेकर के हमारी जो डिस्टेंस है उसमें कितने टाइम का गैप होगा? 5 आवर 30 मिनट्स का. हाउ मेनी गैप इज देयर? 5 आवर 30 मिनट्स. यानी अगर हम देखें ये ग्लोब है, ठीक है, तो ग्रीन जीएमटी आपको पता है, ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम. तो जीएमटी से इंडिया का जो टाइम गैप है, लैग टाइम पीरियड है, वो कितना है? 5 आवर 30 मिनट. हाउ मेनी मिनट्स? 5 आवर 30 मिनट्स है. क्लियर? तो ये एक क्वेश्चन है, दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन स्टीम ए, sorry, village A, that is the longitudinal extent 75 degree west, okay, is 5 p.m. on Friday, and calculate the same day on the village B, that is a 120 degree east. Okay, so you can see that ki suppose that that is the A and that is B. Okay, so it is a 75 degree west, and what is that? That is a 120 degree east. Okay, so if we can see that ki what is the distance between, it means how much degrees are there. So we can add what? 75 plus 120. So can you tell me what will come? That will come 195. And we all know that ki 1 degree equal to how many minute? 4 minute. How many minute? 4 minute. So we can see ki if we divide by the 15 degree, so that is the 1 hour. So 195 divided by 15. So 15 1 ja 15 15. So how much hours different is there? 13 hours. How much time? 13. So 5 o'clock there is the initial timing, and we can add 13. So it's become 18 hours. 18s can be represented as the 6 p.m. Okay, yeah, we can say that that is a 6 a.m. So dear students, once again I am just going I just want to revise that topic. That's a very easy. बस अपने दिमाग में बैठा लेना कि 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी मिनट? 4 मिनट. ठीक है, 1 डिग्री इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी मिनट? 4 मिनट. तो बस चेक कर लो कि जो लैटिट्यूडनल या ईस्ट वेस्ट में कितनी डिस्टेंस है, कितने डिग्री का डिस्टेंस है। जैसे अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया था ना 82 डिग्री एंड 30 मिनट, ओके। तो 82 डिग्री मिनट एंड 30 मिनट, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं 82.5 और 82.5 में हम अगर 4 से मल्टीप्लाइड कर दें, हाउ मेनी 4 से, तो क्या आ जाएगा 4 5 20, 4 2 8, तो ये आपका 33 मिनट आ जाएगा। कितने मिनट, 33 मिनट। और 33 मिनट को अगर हम आवर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा 5 आवर एंड 30 मिनट। तो GMT से IST की जो डिस्टेंस की जो लैग टाइम है वो कितना है बेटा 5 आवर 30 मिनट। तो बेसिकली ये एग्जाम में आता है, इसलिए मैंने इसको डिस्कस किया। तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गिव यू द वन क्वेश्चन, द क्वेश्चन इज हियर, so you need to solve these questions, okay। Now come to the next topic. Now what is the position of India and the world and India's contact with the world, India and the world and India's contact with the world? So dear students, you can see that ki there are 7 continents in the world, okay। So can you identify where is the India? So that is the India, okay, you can see here that is the India. So India, in which continent India is lies? So India is lies on the Asia, okay। So you can see that ki India is lies on the central part of the Asia, na? So occupies a major part of the South Asia, okay। So we can say that ki that is a north and that is a south. So if we divide in 4 that way, so you can see that ki it covers the major part of the South Asia, okay। So that is the Asia, okay, that is the southern part, okay। So it covers the maximum major part of the South Asia, okay, and centrally located between the East and West Asia. So that is the what, East Asia, that is the West Asia. So you can see that that is on center. You can see here where is India, India is on center, okay। So India has the longest coastal line on the Indian Ocean compared to the other country. So you can see that ki that is the coastal line of India, okay। So it is around how much, earlier I have told 7,516.6 kilometer, okay। So we can say that ki India has the longest coastal line on the Indian Ocean, okay, as compared to the other countries, okay। So due to this reason Indian Ocean is named after India. So you can see that that is a which ocean, Indian Ocean is there, okay। So that's why it's called Indian Ocean. Why? Because India has the longest coastal lines on the Indian Ocean, okay। So you know there is a Suez Canal, it's open in 1869, okay। Suez Canal open in which year? It's open in 1869, and it's India's distance Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometer, okay। How many? 7,000 kilometers. So keep it in mind, when the Suez Canal opened, it's open in 1869, okay, and from India to Europe it's reduced how many kilometer? It's around 7,000 kilometer. It's reduced the distance around how much? It's reduced the distance around 7,000 kilometer. So maybe in your exam the question will come ki in which year the Suez Canal is was open. So you can say that it is open in 1869, okay। And after when the Suez Canal opened, what happened? So you can say that ki it reduced the distance approx how much? 7,000 kilometer, and it's connect the India to Europe, okay। So these are the things. Now we can talk about the Indian's neighbor country. What? Indian's neighbor country, okay। So Indian neighbor countries, you know, there are how many states are there, yeah, how many countries are there which cover with the India? So you can see that ki in west side you can see that is the Pakistan, and you can see that Afghanistan is also there. Shortest boundary sharing, it is around 416 kilometer. How much? 416 kilometer, okay। So that is the Pakistan, that is the Afghanistan, and after that you can see that is the China, that is the Nepal, Bhutan, okay, that is the Bangladesh, okay, and that is the Myanmar, okay। So these are the country which share the land boundary with India, okay। So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. How many countries are there? 7. Okay, so you know that is the northern part, southern part, that is the eastern part, and that is the western. So you can say that northwest, that is the Pakistan and Afghanistan. Northeast, you can say that China, Bhutan and Nepal, and in east side you can say that the Bangladesh, and that is the Myanmar. Okay, so that is the neighboring country of India. So how many states in India? You can say that there are 28 states in India. And how many UTs are there? 9 UT. Here is the mention 9 UT. But you know, Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. What? Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, that's combines, and now it's become how many UT? 8 UT. Okay, here is written wrong. How many UTs are there? 8 UT. And how many states are there? 28 states. How many? 28 states are there. Okay, and 8 UTs are there. So you can see that 2 UT increase, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and here is the Ladakh. So 2 UT is increase. Okay, now you know Nepal and Bhutan in the north. Okay, so 2 island countries, that is the Sri Lanka. You can see that that is the Sri Lanka, as well as which country? Maldives. Okay, so that is the island country. Okay, and lies to the south of the Indian, across the Indian Ocean. Okay, India and Sri Lanka are separated by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. So you can see that that is the Pak Strait. Okay, and that is the Gulf of Mannar. Okay, so that is the channel. Okay, that is the channel, and which connects the the 2 countries, Sri Lanka as well as India. Okay, so that is the channel, or narrow channel of sea, that is what? Pak Strait and Gulf Stream. So can you see where it is? That is the Pak Strait, and that is the Gulf of Mannar. Okay, so now come to the next topic. Yes, now topic is over. So that is a very small chapter. So obviously you need to subscribe my channel for further information, because I am going to make more and more videos related to this chapter. Okay, so before leaving the video, please like, subscribe as well as share. Okay, so thank you and Jai Hind.